What is your motto?
Eat pizza all day. Fuck beaches at night.
So what's your reason for being here today?
I just came from overseas. I thought I would stop by Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Check out my big brother Mario without his head and his mustache. Shit off. Fuck. When I tell mother, she's going to be pissed. Anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since you're in town, we want to do a cipher right quick. We got to do it.
Oh, you want me to start my rapping, Daddy?
Come on.
My rapping stick around your mouth. Anyways, let's go.
Let me holler at you right quick.
Yeah. Yeah, I love you. Hey, thank you for hooking me up with that pizza. Anyway.
Come on, let's go. Start the beat.
Okay.
DJ Dick Warrior.
Okay.
DJ Dick Warrior. Gabby on the track.
Hey, we be with that fucking nigga.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mr. Williams
We
can't
be with
hear
that
you.
fucking nigga. He be with that fucking nigga. She be with that fucking.
Who the fuck just fight it?
Everybody fight it.
Fight it.
Fight it.
Fight it.
Everybody fight it.
Fight it.
Fight it.
Fight it. Damn. God damn.
I fucking let it loose. I think it was my brother though.
Brother though.
I am done.
He never let that nigga know.
Let that know.
Every time I see it, I be like, oh,
He like, huh?
because I know he did it.
Ugh.
I can tell he did it.
Ugh.
Matter of fact,
Where's your
I
tie?
can smell he did it.
Oh.
Where's your tie?
Oh, she talking about fucking time. Anyway. Next thing. Is it not even? No. Okay, good. If you don't eat spaghetti, then fuck you. Go buy me a bitch and bring to fuck to. I need a big ass plate because I don't eat small. Look at all this goddamn weight. Laughing. Wait, laughing at the nigga piece. Green and black. And green and black.
And black.
And green and black.
And they don't
green
pronounce black
and
like
black.
that
And
either.
black.
Fuck your.
What?
No offense.
No offense.
No offense.
I'm sorry, bitch.
What offense?
I'm sorry.
I can hop that. Bullshit. So when I'm running from the cops, I just say, I quit. I got enough money to pay bail. So I don't give a fuck if they take my ass to jail. But I got one thing to say. If I drop the fucking stuff, please don't come behind me. Because I'll bring the fucking stuff.
What is that shit?
Let me go. Yeah.
Wait, hold on, garlic bread.
Name garlic.
Garlic.
Pussy.
Speaking of garlic bread.
I had
We eat
some
garlic
last
bread
night.
Texas
all
toast.
fucking day. Texas toast, hell, no, Italian toast all the way.
You wait.
Yes.
Let garlic bread on the thing.
Garlic bread, go.
Yeah. I just got some out the pen, bitch. Get good money for these beans, bitch. She sucked my dick like the ring, bitch.
my dick.
Black and green on that dick.
On
They
that
call
dick.
me garlic bread
Garlic bread
on my head.
on my head.
Yeah, I fed.
Yeah, I feel.
Cornbread Fred. I mean garlic
I
green.
mean got green.
I mean jar chicken.
I mean got chicken.
I in that hand.
I mean that
He
hand.
got a green
Green.
and that black
And that black.
and that pizza
And that pizza.
and he's black
And I'm black.
and he's hungry
And I'm hungry.
and he's fat.
And I'm fat.
Honey buns for lunch and I'm black.
Yeah.
Came up on the track with my fresh shoes and a fresh chain. You know what I do? They call me one chain. Fuck two of them bitches. Fuck 3 or 4, 5. Get up on the
We
sneakers.
don't like that multi
Fuck
shit.
bullshit. And whip it too.
Fucking
Got a
nigga.
big dick.
Fucking
I'm a
nigga.
dick warrior. She sucked my dick on once or twice, 3 times. It was nice. 1, 2, 3,
Just
4,
like
5.
brushing her teeth. Keep going.
Red dress on my salad, bitch. Fuck tomato, fuck the lettuce. I want the ham,
You
bitch.
fat bitch.
Burger King,
You don't like it.
the lettuce,
Yes.
tomato,
Yes.
and the ketchup.
Yes.
Mix my drink and the fry.
Correct.
Chocolate shake.
Shit.
It's on my mind.
And speaking about drinks, let me tell you what I like to drink.
Drink.
If it's not spaghetti sauce, then I don't want to drink it. I tell you just like it is when I'm at the restaurant. I'd be like, bring me spaghetti sauce, and they'd be like, what? I slap that hoe. I tell her go to the back, and then I say, make that tomato sauce and pour that shit. Pour that shit. Pour that shit.
Oh shit, he said what shit?
Pour that shit. That's right. Anyways, I'm not done.
You ain't finished.
The Italian bitches. I take them to my crib and I smash them with some chicken. I eat the chicken one hand and I smash them with the other. It's easy for me because I learned it from my brother. Fuck what you got this thing. I fuck you in the ass with this garlic bread stick. Hey! Then when I let loose, I'm gonna have to pop that goose. And I am popping off my bike. I squished that bitch 3, 5 times twice.
We got no time for this.
Get on it.
We got no time for
We ain't got no more time.
Let me talk about what we do when we on.